So we've repaired and replaced all of the cancerous rust that was on this vehicle with new sheet metal. Now it's time for us to prevent new rust from happening to the original sheet metal and what's been replaced. So there's a couple different ways that you can protect steel from oxidizing because that's what causes rust. For the large areas, you can spray an automotive sealer with
high zinc content, like 3M's weld-through primer that bites into bare metal. When using chemicals, gloves and eyewear protection are a must-have.
So you want to make sure that you definitely prep the surface down to bare metal, get rid of as much rust as you possibly can before applying the Marhide rust converter over it.
We're going to start by grinding down the surface rust using a 90-degree wheel sander, using 60 grit Cubitron 2 roll-lock abrasive disc to bare metal, allowing for the Marhide rust converter to create a chemical reaction that converts the rust into a hard black primer.
So right here we have an example of the Marhide rust converter over a prep surface and an unprepped surface. And you can tell that this right here is evaporating to a point where rust will come back, and this right here is going to stay protected. But what about the really hard to reach areas like inside rocker panels or maybe even inside of a door? 3M makes a wax cavity spray that a lot of body shops use that utilizes a long, flexible straw that you can put inside of it, say a door, a rocker panel, or even a wiper cowl, spray the item inside of there, and it coats the inside of it with a wax surface. That locks out moisture and also oxygen that won't allow the iron to be oxidized and won't create rust.
Watch C-10 Class, brought to you by 3M Auto on Prime Video.